Guys, none of this would be possible without Jamila. She reached out to me and said, Tevon, would you like to do a party boat vlog? I said, why not? Hey guys, welcome to Caribbean Vibes Adventures. Welcome to St. Thomas. This is one of the 3 beautiful islands that make up the US Virgin Islands. Today we are going on a tour with Jamila. So we're waiting. We're going on a beach boat party today. It's a little bit different. A lot of music will be playing for sure. So I have to do a lot of voiceover. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Enjoying the morning so far? But it's a little bit windy. It's not all that.
It's not all hot. It can be hot out there.
But we're from the Caribbean, so it's not like we're Caribbean people. We're used to it. So early?
Yes, sir. Right now, I'm still just sleeping.
Every part of Jamaica is nice, man. But I love Ochi too. For me, if I had to leave Westmoreland, is Ochi definitely the spot where I would.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Ochi is nice. This is our pass. That's the party boat coming. The boat is here.
For real. That's what I'm so glad.
You know I got told everything.
You ready, right?
Radio.
Kon.Tiki tour. Big up to the Chuckers ladies. Chucker, it's time to play.
Yes, it is. Wait, is it on me?
Of course, it have to. It's a part of the brand.
Oh,
Yeah, it's time to play. Big up the Chucker ladies.
Morning.
Respect, bro. Morning.
hey, how are you?
Walking up next to the bar, we have Rico. Everyone say hi to Rico. Coming around with a waiver, we have Shayla. You guys say hi to Shayla. On you guys' tunes today, we got DJ Cash. Everyone say hi to DJ Cash. And then saving the best for last, you got me. My name is Ryan. I'll be your captain for today. Say hi, Captain Ryan. Alright, nice to meet you guys. So today, guys, we're going to give you guys a quick little tour of the Charlotte Harbor. Sit through there pretty quick, point out a couple of things for you, and then we're gonna head on down to beautiful Honeymoon Beach, all right? We're gonna spend about 90 minutes over there on the beach. You guys are gonna have 90 minutes to do whatever you like, all right? After the beach, we're gonna party all the way back to the ship. We're gonna have rum punch flowing at the bar, all that good stuff. Does that sound anything like what you guys signed up for? What enthusiasm. Does that sound anything like what you guys signed up for? All right, that's better. So guys, this is a U.S. Coast Guard inspected vessel, so it is a requirement that we give you guys a little safety spiel about this boat, all right? First things first, life jackets. We haven't used them in over 2 days now. Let's try to keep it that way, all right? Life jackets are located directly above your heads, guys, okay? So if you see any one of us putting on one of those big, ugly, orange fluffy life jackets, grabbing a couple bottles of rum from behind the bar and jumping overboard, you should probably be doing the same, right? If any one of you managed to start your own fire today, we have fire extinguishers located throughout the vessel. So if you see, sense, or smell a fire, be sure to let either one of us know, and we will be sure to extinguish that, all right? That being said, guys, we do have a top deck. We allow smoking and vaping on the top deck only, folks, okay? So check out the top deck. We have a couple of restrooms located to the rear of the vessel, guys. Feel free to check those restrooms out. And there's also a wash station in the back. Help yourselves to that at any time. This stuff is all complimentary, guys, all right? You cannot say you were drinking all day if you didn't start in the morning.
Jewelry shops all downtown, tons of shopping. This is a duty-free, so St. Thomas is a duty-free capital of the Caribbean. What that means is you don't pay the same tariffs and taxes and duties and purchases bought in any one of these stores downtown, okay?
This tour including downtown St. Thomas through the harbor, where we get to learn a little bit of history about the town and the oldest building, that is called the Blackbeard Castle, that was built in 1679 and was also used as a watchtower to spot pirate ship. This building is now 346 years old now, make it one of the oldest buildings in the Virgin Islands. Enough respect to global superstar Shaggy, Sean Paul, Charlie Blacks for contributing to the culture of Jamaica and the culture of Jamaica dancehall music internationally. Especially when time the DJ go play the Charlie Blacks, a girl you a party animal. The females is like they were let out of a cage, man. I'm telling you, man. I feel so proud to be of this small little island that have this powerful impact internationally, man. Thanks guys to keep on waving the Jamaica 876 flag alive. Thanks to delivering good music and keeping the Jamaican culture alive. I really feel so good. Especially traveling internationally, person recognize us and say, oh, you're Jamaican like that. It's like they have so many love for us as a Jamaican people traveling, man.
In 1917, when the U.S. purchased these islands, the military, they blew up this passageway that we're going through right now with one of their submarines to allow easier access to the harbor, right? That little building you see back there in the bush with the stone, that once was a steam-powered marine railway. It's probably the only one left existing in the Western Hemisphere.
Guys, for some reason I don't know what's wrong with the audio of the videos. Most of the audios I realize when I'm starting to edit, it's low or there's no audio. But we finally made it to the honeymoon beach.
Yeah, this reminds us of being in Jamaica. And now it's right on the beach.
It's great.
Yeah? Enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Yeah? Feels like home.
Right?
I miss the beach. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
But it's beautiful. A lot of person on the beach. A lot of beautiful ladies. There is also a shop and a restaurant and a sports bar at the honeymoon beach, so this is where we will be having lunch. We're going to the menu, guys, try to figure out what we want to have for lunch today. Grilled chicken sandwich, Billiard Beach burger, fish and chips.
Okay,
You can't spoil hamburger.
I don't think so. Oh, they can't. I use a simple cook. I can't make burger. I'm not a chef.
Buffalo chicken sandwich. So we're gonna have the burger and also the jerk chicken.
You want a burger with? No, whatever you want. If you want cheese, American Swiss or cheddar, lettuce, tomato, onion, goat cheese.
Yeah, my burger too?
You want lettuce, tomato?
No, I'm not having a burger. What do you want with burger?
Burger. What just regular cheese?
American? Lettuce, tomato, onion?
And you have Jamaican
No tomato.
cheese.
No.
No tomato.
Okay, lettuce and onion.
Yeah.
Sauteed onion or regular onion?
Yeah, the red onion.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Okay, lettuce, onion, and American cheese and the jerk chicken, right?
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Any
And the
drinks
jerk
for you?
chicken tastes good.
It's okay.
It's a,
Yeah.
that
it
means
is.
it's not authentic. It's
No,
not.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, I don't like that. Is it authentic jerk chicken?
No, it's authentic like Jamaican one.
It's authentic like Jamaican jerk chicken? It's not?
You're gonna have to come work here.
Like exactly.
Hire him so you can make the jerk chicken.
Well, I'm gonna try the jerk chicken, please.
Okay.
And I also need a bottle of water.
Water for you, madam?
Just the burger is fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Where's your meal?
It's quite well so far. The hot sauce, nice. It's too hot. What?
I'm loving the coleslaw. Regular cabbage with purple cabbage.
Yeah.
But they have a little chili flavor to it.
I like the pepper I feel it's not coming alone.
It's okay. It's jerk chicken breast. That's what they said. Very different from Jamaican jerk chicken. We're not gonna complain. We know Jamaica is always the best, it's always authentic. But we're not in Jamaica now. My favorite part of my meal is the rice. Rice full of flavor. We are finished. You finished? What was your meal?
It was basic. Nothing exceptional. Could have been better. The burger was still best. The fries is regular fries, but the burger had no food, so could have been better. And I thought they could have ruined the burger, but they did. They did.
Yeah.
Yeah, my left knee, if I move wrong.
Respect, man. The boat is here, so it's time for us to pack up and leave this place. It was a beautiful day in St. Thomas, not St. Thomas in Jamaica. You hear that? They're playing some Charlie Blacks. Did you enjoy the beach? The sun? I know. The sun feels good. It's like it's massaging my feet.
Says the person who travels.
Yeah. Have fun, guys. Bye. Beautiful island, I'm telling you guys. Gonna go on the boat now, guys. Taking this opportunity to say thanks to the management and staff of Kon.Tiki Tour, Shoka St. Thomas, Virgin Island, to the DJ himself for being professional and playing family-oriented music that even the kids could relate to. Even the kids were having a wonderful time.
If we took care of you, all we ask is you guys take care of us. Here in the Virgin Islands, we work for tips. We're gonna have a little love jug outside here. Please show us a little love.
Guys, the crowd is
Okay, ladies and
going
gentlemen,
wild.
very important. As you guys make your way back to the ship, stay up against the fence. Try to stay away from the water side where the ship is at, alright? We have our little love jug there. Show us a little love. Also, grab yourself a roadie. We got some rough punches there, alright? We got some rough punches there. It is the law here to walk on an open container.
Man, respect, man. Yes, man. Heart of love, bro. Respect, Rasta.
All right, guys, thanks for coming out with us.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Respect till next time.
I must say big up to Jamelia. Guys for taking the time to invite me to this party boat.
You're welcome.
It was a vibe, I'm telling you.
Really good, really good.
Yeah, I'm telling you. The island is beautiful, the beach.
Beach is pretty.
Of course. We're in the Caribbean. I like to say that we're in the Caribbean.
No better water than in the
I'm
Caribbean.
telling you. The water is so relaxing.
Yeah.
I enjoy this party boat. We need to get some more of this party boat content.